So, I'm at the boat for the first time in a couple weeks. I've been real busy working. I just put up a video yesterday of part 2 of Mike's retrofit, and he was very patient for, I think it took a couple of months for me to do part 2. My new Bimini was installed last week, and I'm just coming down to look at it. It looks really good. And I'm going to show some footage of that and my Teak that's been redone. And I'm going to show, up next here, I'm going to show what Scott was doing yesterday. It was pretty unbelievable. And before I show that, I'm going to tell you that we are going out of town Friday. Now, this started off being, hey, let's drive to St. Petersburg and go to the boat show. Next thing you know, we're booking flights somewhere warm. It's a little chilly right now in Gulf Shores for our liking, so we just decided to go somewhere and get some sun. So, video coming of that. A nice warm place. We want to bring the warmth to you. So with that, check this out.
That is amazing. That's hard to simulate in your mind.
Yeah. Oh so let's have a little more fun, okay? Let's
ready.
do this right handle down your hip.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.